The O sound. The O sound. Let's write and read words with the O sound. Words with the O sound. Let's increase your vocabulary. Words with the O sound. Fault, cause, whole, down, north, autumn, fault, cause, whole, down, north, autumn. More words with the O sound. Pour, fraud, vault, staunch, munch, punch, pour, fraud, vault, staunch, munch, punch. Words with O sound. Drought, more, jaunt, coat, purse, thought, drought, more, jaunt, coat, purse, thought. More words with the O sound. Source, haunt, launch, note, haunt, launch. Laura, sentences with the O sound. Be ready for a jaunt to the beach. She caught the rat that mauled the sauce. We need to pause and think about the cause. Paul was vaulting on horseback. His fault was not following Paul. Circle words with O sound. She caught the rat that mauled the sauce. His fault was not following Paul. Now words with O sound. Fault, Paul, caught, sauce, mold. Read these words aloud. Caught, caught. Log, Laura. Pot, purse. Rock, rouse. Note, note. Thought, thought. Invite your friends to learn words with the O sound. Subscribe, like, share with your friends. Great job! Check out the previous lesson if you missed it. I'll see you in our next lesson.